On top the development plans wey Governor Godwin Obaseki get for Edo pipo, na im don take assure pipo for Edo Central say dem go soon complete Uromi Ugboha water reticulation project so dat dem go fit solve the problem wey the pipo dey face since then on top water matter. Obaseki tok dis one wen e receive 3 vehicles wey European Union don donate as part of the collabo wey dey between Edo State and European Union for Niger Delta Support Program for Water and Sanitation. Permanent Secretary for Ministry of Energy and Water Resources Akongie Obo na present the vehicles give Governor Godwin Obaseki. She come talk say na EU na provide the vehicle them.
The collaboration between the states and EU for the Niger Delta Support Program for Water and Sanitation. So the EU delegates provided the vehicles for us. They put it in the custody of Ministry of Energy and Water Resources, and we felt that the state government should recognize the hardware component of EU.
But the Obaseki talk say Edo State don contribute about 1.4 billion naira as counterpart funding give EU program, and at this one I make wey EU they give Edo State government balance of 70%. And them go convert the contribution to ways where them go fit take provide water for Edo people. It talk say Ugboha water work done ready and na Uromi be the next place where them wan go. It talk say them go carry water go Uromi and other cities where water no dey. Godwin Obaseki thank EU well for their dedication and commitment where them take the do collabo with Edo State. He say with the 2 Hilux vans and 1 18-seater bus, developments go come waka they go well for the state.
I want to use this opportunity to thank partners, the European Union, who have been working with us and collaborating with us to ensure that we provide water to our people. As you recall, under the EU program, we contributed 1.4 billion as our counterpart funds, based on which they give us the balance 70%. And that contribution has been quite transformational in terms of providing water to our people. The Ubalo Water Works is ready. I think we are articulating to Uromi now, and we are going to be metering water in cities like Uromi, hopefully other cities where water has been hard to come by in the last several decades. But let me use this opportunity to thank partners in the EU for their own commitments. It's not often that you have a partner who shows equal commitment to the program as you. I believe that these hardware components, the vehicles, will facilitate and expedite the work we're doing. I'm very anxious that the reticulation, particularly to is completed before the end of this year. So on behalf of the Edo State government, I want to extend our profound gratitude to the European Union and to assure them, because I have the assurance from you, that these vehicles or these components will be used judiciously and for the benefit of the project. It's not to be used as school-run vehicles. It should be used as project vehicles to ensure that the project is completed on a timely basis. Once again, I would say a big thank you to the European Union.
And so we see the story reach on top wetin shele for inside Edo today. As CB say Governor Godwin Obaseki don carry water project go for Uromi and Ugboha communities.